Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. Wondering what to do when visiting Island Park, Idaho? Island Park, Idaho is an outdoor lover's paradise. There are many things to do in this area. Island Park is our second home. We visit here every year to be out of the city and be close to nature. And you can't go to Island Park without stopping at Big Springs. It is an incredible place. The water is beautiful and crystal clear. Big Springs is a major source for Henry's Fork of the Snake River and one of the world's largest springs. It produces over 120 million gallons of pure water each day. Now that's a lot of natural water. Big Spring is a special treat while in Island Park. Great to see some fish, ducks, and seagulls at the springs. We got to feed the seagulls. We had a good time throwing pieces of bread in the water and watching the seagulls go crazy. Big Springs is also known for Johnny Sock's cabin. This cabin at the east edge of the spring was built in 1929 and open for public to visit. This is one of my favorite places when we are in Island Park, Idaho. This whole area is full of wildlife, so look around, you might see a moose or deer. I love the beauty and how peaceful this place is. Big Springs in Island Park is another destination that I would add to your list. Get up there, you will love it. Have you been to Big Springs? What was your favorite thing about it? Leave your comment below. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more outdoor adventures. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. And see you in the next adventure. Bye!